Hey everyone, welcome to our new series all about prompt engineering. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Have you ever chatted with an AI like ChatGPT and noticed how it sometimes gives super helpful answers and other times just, well, totally misses the mark? That's not magic or luck. It's all about how you ask. Prompt engineering is the secret sauce behind getting those amazing answers. It's like crafting the perfect message so your AI buddy can really get what you want. Let me give you some real world examples. Customer support. Ever used a help chatbot on a website and got exactly the info you needed? That's thanks to well designed prompts behind the scenes. Schoolwork. Imagine you're stuck on a tricky math problem. The way you ask the question, like specifying solve step by step, can make all the difference in the answer you get. Writing help. Need a catchy email or a resume tweak? Saying, make this more professional but friendly versus just improve this changes everything for what the AI creates. And so on. Whether you're a student, a developer, or just someone who loves experimenting with technology, prompt engineering helps you unlock better, more accurate answers, save time, and avoid headaches. Make your projects smarter and more creative. And that's what this series is all about. Starting with this video, we're kicking off a full playlist, the Prompt Engineering Guide, where I'll break down all the need to knows, real demos, easy tips, latest tools, and lots more. So hit that subscribe button. Join me on this journey and let's together make the most of what AI can offer. Because trust me, once you learn the art of prompt engineering, you'll see your results skyrocket. Let's dive in and see how asking the right way can open up a world of possibilities. See you in the next video.